Okay, baby, jump. Stiff arms. Good. Keep your eyes still. You're doing good. Right up. Good right up. Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, baby, ready? Jump. Walk it up. Hold it out there, baby. Hold it out. 5, 4, 3, 2. Jump away. Good jumping away. Jump it out. Good girl. Tap. Come on, sweetheart.
Mommy.
Right up. Good right up. Well, actually, we'll do it twice. Jump.
And then
Hold it out there, baby. 5, 4, 3, 2. Remember, let go of your hands. Go. Yes, that was great. Good jump down. Good. Come on, Kaylin, one more time. Now, I don't like that. You gotta boom, 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 right up. Redo. Redo. That, love you, that, from the top. Yeah, you know. You can do it. Concentrate on the first jump. Right up. Up, up.
one more.
Jump. Hold it. Hold it out there. Jump to Miss Jody. Let go of the hands. There you go. Good. Come on, G. Look where you're going. Right still. Right up. Good right up, Pumpkin. That was great. Jump. Good. Walk your feet up. Come on, you got it. Hold it out there. A little higher. Hold it out there. Look up
They're right here.
Hold it out. Okay, jump away.
Break the bag. No, I don't want to this
Go ahead. Come on, Tal. Up. We lost Tal.
She's right here. Go, go.
You ready to go?
Balance.
Triana! Go fix that roll. Start with a stretch. Have a little cookie monkey thing. Yeah. I love you. You're getting cookie on me. Stand at the top one. Okay, that's the way. Come on, Tal. Jump it up. You're all right up.
Whoa!
You are the bomb. Jump it up. Hold it out. There. Jump it to Miss Jody. All right. Let go of those hands. You're good. Jump it down. Woo! To the feet and everything. Ah! Redo. Tuck that chin, love muffin. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. You're perfect.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Go, go, go. Tap. Come on, to the bar. You had a moment there, Pumpkin Love. Yes. Look at those casts. Pay attention, Tal.
Go ahead. I got it.
Okay, would you like this to the moon? Nice. Good.